Okay, I want everyone to take a really deep breath. Take in as much air as you can. Okay, now let it out. When I told everyone to take in a deep breath, were any of you worried that there wouldn't be enough air for all of you? Of course not, because air is an abundant resource. There's more than enough for everyone in this room. It'd be silly for you to be concerned about how much air someone else is breathing in, worried that there may not be enough for you. Unfortunately, we often find ourselves concerned with the scarcity of other resources in our lives. This is referred to as the scarcity mindset. The idea that there is short supply of every opportunity. If you win, I lose. If you have more, then I have less. And if you succeed, then I fail. This mindset discourages mutual growth. Sometimes people with this outlook see life as a pie, and if you have more, then I have less. People with the scarcity mindset have a very difficult time sharing recognition, struggle with jealousy, and determine their self-worth by comparing themselves to others instead of seeking to reach their own highest potential. When you have a scarcity mindset, you're comfortable being mediocre as long as everyone around you is also mediocre. Whereas when everyone around you is successful, then you're discouraged instead of motivated. You secretly resent the rest for having their success. It creates a life of stress, sadness, and jealousy, and makes it difficult to truly grow. On the other hand, there's the abundance mindset. This mindset is the idea that there are plenty of opportunities to go all around. There's enough for us all to share. This viewpoint encourages teamwork and the sharing of recognition and decision-making. It opens doors to more possibilities, options, and creativity. Now, this doesn't mean that we shouldn't compete. Competition can lead to personal growth and innovation, but not everything is a competition. When you allow the scarcity mindset to dominate your life, you unnecessarily compete for resources that are abundant, thinking that they were scarce. You're fighting your neighbors for air when clearly there's enough for us all. On the other hand, the abundance mindset allows you to be confident in your abilities to attain your goals. It encourages you to become the best version of yourself and value self-actualization. The mindset comes from a deep inner sense of personal worth and security. Each of us see hundreds of ads every day, each one telling us, you're running out of time, you need to get it before it's gone, or it's your last chance. This false perception of scarcity is bred into our society and everything we experience. When resources are perceived to be scarce, when resources are perceived to be limited, paranoia and fear thrive. We don't realize that as our population grows, so do the amount of opportunities. As the world's innovators, we must consider applying the abundance mindset to our own lives to become more effective leaders. Start by offering words of appreciation to other people around you. Let them know that their contributions are valuable. You'll have greater influence on people you show appreciation of, leading to more effective communication. Next, make time for reflection. Recognize when you have a scarcity mindset and identify what it is that's making you think this way. Maybe it's fear, or maybe it's something different. Also notice when the people around you are acting abundantly, and think about how this makes you feel. Finally, give more of what you want. Giving is a fantastic way to put yourself in the abundance mindset and an appreciative frame of mind. Feel like you don't have enough money? Donate some. Feel like you don't have enough time? Give some to others. Now, again, everyone, please take a deep breath in. We don't have to compete against each other for air, and you don't have to compete against each other for success. You are the leaders on your campus, and you can be the ones to encourage students to seek new opportunities or create their own. But it all starts with you. And after an incredible and inspirational weekend like this, where you got the chance to be creative and become a part of this incredible community, I challenge you to ask yourselves, how might we become the change makers that nurture the abundance mindset in our own lives and in our communities? Thank you.